Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm doing another upgrade, small one, using the same company. I've had this one for about just over a year. It's worked really well. I did notice a difference going from stock, and I do have it on my truck right now. I leave this cap open, which allows more air to go inside, which I did notice a difference in the sound as well, because there's actually another hole that's connected right there that gets air through this side right here. So that's two holes that's sucking in the air. One reason why I wanted to change this out was actually because from what I saw online from their diagram is that this one has more horsepower, more torque. Now it also has the sticker, which is important here in California, the carb sticker, and this one did too, so that's important when you go to get it smogged. Something I didn't like about this one was that it's a little hard to see how dirty the filter is, even though there's this cover here, and it's kind of a pain to get it out. I hope that this one right here I can just unscrew and pop it out, because there is no top on it. But we'll see. These things are fun to change out. Just a little upgrade here. So one difference is that the old one had this connection like this, a rubber connection, and it was connected on the inside like this. This one's actually wide enough. It goes on the outside with a with another piece that, and I'll put it on so you can see it. This actually fits on the frame right there. Something else I noticed was that the inlet is a little more oval, because you can see the shape is a little bit bigger. This part right here, so the airflow I feel would probably be bigger on this one, because this seems a little smaller, the circular part. But again, it's hard to tell. I'm gonna be really surprised if I notice a difference. Obviously, like I said, sound difference you'll definitely be able to tell from stock, but going from an upgrade to an upgrade, we'll see. The one thing I didn't like is it didn't come with this piece, which fits over this piece right here that you have inside. So I just took it off of the old truck. I'm guessing they forgot to put it in there. I also don't like how this part over the top right here does not close all the way. They should make it longer for you to cut it, or figure out a different design, because I don't like that at all. So driving around the corner with the new Magnum, don't notice a difference in the sound. I almost maybe think that maybe it might be a little bit quieter, which is surprising, because I thought that, you know, without the box it would be louder, or at least the same. My truck it's not deleted, so you know a lot of the deleted stuff will obviously be louder, but with the exhaust, you know, that's just the way it goes. So I can't do anything about that. Now a couple of differences I wanted to mention with you again. So the difference here is the box itself is all one piece. So to get it out, you actually have to pull the whole box out and then slip this out to be able to clean the filter. This old one also has this gauge, which I think is ugly, and it actually never moved, and my filter would get pretty dirty sometimes. This part right here is the stock part, so when you take off your old intake, you need to take this off and put it onto your new one. That fits around this piece right here, that is the inlet for the air that comes through. You can see my hand right here, comes through there. This one has the main hole here. They both have that. There you got a hole there and a hole here. This one you cannot This one, which is the one I have on here, you cannot plug that up. This one actually comes with a plug, so you can have it plugged in or taken out. One other thing that I just noticed with this one, let me check again. Okay, so it does have it. It has a third hole on the side, which this one also has. So you can see right here, there's a third hole there. So they both have the 3 holes. This one is the only one that has the option of taking that hole out by putting the plug in there. So this will end up sucking air from the engine area, but I don't think it's enough to really make a difference. It does give I really like the fact that you can see it, because you open it up and it gives a really big, whoa, that's huge, you know? And that's pretty cool. So yeah, it's a little dirty, but that's alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.